Now, I remember standing here just a couple of years ago and talking about how Nolathane had gone down the route for workshop efficiency of pre-installing their renowned bushings into a raft of control arms. Well, the landscape keeps expanding, doesn't it? And we all drive, me included, four-wheel drives out there, not just off-road, but also tradies drive them. We use them for our daily commute. So the range keeps expanded. And now when we look, we can see some lower control arms from a range of really popular models. Doesn't matter whether it's a Ranger or a Hilux. And when we look at them, you know, here's just a normal, small, medium-sized car, lower control arm, nice unit. But check these out. These are... well, they're not marked as heavy duty, they just are heavy duty. Really nicely made, robust control arms, pre-fitted with Nolathane's bushings in them. So, if you're in a workshop and you want to maximise up your efficiency, way to go. You don't want so many specialised tools, you want to get those downward, way to go. Hoist downtime, we all know the importance of that. Don't muck around, get the control arms in, get the thing off the hoist. That's a tick. And suspension servicing capability across a wider range of vehicles. So for maximum workshop efficiency, Nolathane, high quality control arms pre-fitted with their known quality bushings.